Let's get over to First Alert meteorologist Lauren Bostwick now, talking more about this wind danger that we're seeing outside. And Lauren, you were mentioning that we're already seeing power outages throughout the area, right?
Exactly. And that kind of ties back to the story that we just saw about carbon monoxide. If you are without power and you are running those generators, make sure they're far away from your home. You don't want to get carbon monoxide poisoning from that. Now, let's talk about some of the alerts that we're going to continue to watch as we head into the rest of this afternoon and evening. Until about 7 p.m., we're looking at a high wind warning and wind advisory in effect until 7. And then we're talking about wind gusts upwards of around 65 miles per hour probable with those winds that do pass through. We've already seen some gusts, even upwards of 89 miles per hour in the Guadalupe Pass. And believe it or not, that's Category 1 hurricane strength. So damaging winds is what we'll continue to see. Red flag warning will stay in effect until 9 p.m. later on this evening. And that's exactly why we do have that first alert in effect. I want to show you our red flag warning here because we're not only looking at very dry conditions and windy conditions, we're also looking at dry fuels and above average temperatures, anywhere from around 10 to 15 degrees above what we typically see for this time of the year across the entire North Texas region. Again, that's going to be persistent until around 9 p.m. Avoid any activities that may cause a spark or a flame, because anything that does spark up could spread very rapidly. Wind gusts upwards of 65 miles per hour and potentially even stronger. Again, we've seen extreme winds today. High wind warning in effect for most of us across North Texas, but off to the east, wind advisory, and that's where we could be looking at the winds upwards of 45 miles per hour. Again, it's been gusty as we continue through the next couple of hours. We will be looking at those peak gusts. However, headed off into your 8-9 p.m. hour, we'll start to see things settle down just a bit further. Still, gusts will be upwards of around 20 to 30 miles per hour through the overnight. Those winds are really picking up a lot of that dust from West Texas and the Panhandle. You can kind of see it here, those lines. That moving into our area is actually a bunch of dust in our satellite imagery. You could really see a clear picture there. Here's not a clear picture, though, outside of Fort Worth, Texas. We're looking at, well, a lot of dust in the atmosphere. Unfortunately, you can't see very far in front of you. So if you are headed out and about, be extra cautious on those roadways. Not only is it the winds that will make it dangerous to drive, it's also the significantly reduced visibility. We're talking about down to about 4 miles into DFW, Denton 2.5 miles. It's just some rough and nasty conditions out there. Current dew points are extremely low, but they'll continue to get lower through the rest of the day today. We're talking about in the teens and even in the single digits, and that's going to promote for high fire danger again through 9 p.m. Conditions will stay dry, though, thanks to our dry line, and that's going to lead to additional risks overnight. We have a Pacific front that'll move through. It'll bring in some moisture in the upper levels, so we'll gain some cloud cover across the area. A couple spotty showers and a rumble of thunder possible down to the southeast when you wake up on your Saturday early morning. But it's so dry at the ground that a lightning strike could actually start a new wildfire. Something to keep in mind. Now, again, we're looking at a very pleasant weekend, temperatures in the 70s, but those temperatures on the incline as we head into St. Patrick's Day.